Hello friends. So we have got the 67th class tutorials. Personal tuition. So we are in the present continuous tense. Today we will do a very simple, probably the simplest of all exercises that you can do in this tense. We saw the form, we saw how to make it, we saw how to make it negative, we saw how to make yes or no question, we also saw how to make WH questions in this tense. Alright, very good. Now we have got about 15 sentences here. Always we do our exercises in sets of 15. So the simple question is rewrite using the present continuous form. Very simple. No? First one I will do for you, and then the other ones, the remaining 14 you have to do for yourself. Alright? Yes, let's see. Let's begin. He drives home. So what will be the present continuous form? He is driving home. He is driving home. So now you know the form, isn't it? Let us say ing and also the appropriate or the suitable form of the verb to be. The present form of the verb to be is, am, are. So here it is third person singular, so you have to use is. Very good. So the second one we will do together. That is, she sings a song. She is singing a song. Alright. She is singing a song. Very good. Correct. Third one, they play cards. So what will be the form? They are playing cards. They are playing cards. That is the form. They are playing. This is the simplest, so to say, of all the exercises that you can do in this tense, right? Fourth one, baby draws a picture. Baby is drawing a picture. Why? Third person singular. So baby, that is the name of a person. Baby is drawing a picture. The simplest form of this tense. Then we have Shaibi lives here. Shaibi is living here. Yes, very good. Shaibi is living here. Very good. Alright. And sixth one, I do my business. I am doing my business. I am doing my business. So that is the present continuous form. Next, seventh one, you do it well. You do it well. You are doing it well. You are doing it well. Eighth one is 7 people work on it. 7 people work on it. Third person plural. 7 people are working on it. 7 people are working on it. And ninth one, India progresses gradually. India is progressing gradually. India, third person singular. India is progressing gradually. Isn't it? India is progressing gradually. Ninth, they quarrel each other. They are quarreling each other. They are quarreling each other. They are quarreling each other. The next 11th one, children read books. That person plural. So children are reading children are reading books. 12th one, we help them. We are helping them. We are helping them. 13th one, you feel tired. You are feeling tired. You are feeling tired. And the 14th one, my baby eats fruits. That's good. No? So my baby is eating fruits. And the last one, his master says goodbye. His master is saying goodbye. 15th one, his master is saying goodbye. Hope everybody can see this. No? His master. So I will read out once again. See the connection between the two, the relation between the two. How, when you are given one tense, how to convert that into, change that into another tense, isn't it? Provided you should know the form. Very good. Once again, he drives home, he is driving home, she sings a song, she is singing a song. They play cards, they are playing cards. Bobby draws a picture, Bobby is drawing a picture. Shaibi lives here, Shaibi is living here. I do my business, I am doing my business. You do it well, you are doing it well. 7 people work on it. 7 people are working on it. India progresses gradually. India is progressing gradually. They quarrel each other, they are quarreling each other. Children read books, children are reading books. We help them, we are helping them. It's our duty. And you feel tired, you are feeling tired. My baby is fruits, my baby is eating food. Third person singular. His master says goodbye, his master is saying goodbye. Understand? Now convert this into negatives. Just one more step. The other steps we will see later. Now what I have to do is, we have already seen, you have to two parts immediately after the first part. What should you do? Not. And then it should be like that. He is not, she is not, they are not, baby is not, Shaibi is not, I am not, you are not, 7 people are not, India is not, they are not, children are not, we are not helping, you are not, my baby is not, his master is not. So not. And the contracted form, you know, what will be the contracted form? Is not is, isn't, are not is, aren't, am not is, am not, not, aren't, am not, I'm not, aren't, isn't. So you will read it like this. He isn't driving home, she isn't singing a song, they aren't playing cards, baby isn't drawing, Shaibi isn't living, I'm not. Yes. I'm not doing my business. You are not doing it well. You aren't doing it well. 7 people aren't working. India isn't progressing. They aren't quarreling. Children aren't reading. We aren't helping. You aren't feeling. My baby isn't eating. His master isn't saying goodbye. So we have seen 2 steps now. Form you already know. This we have already done. Come is coming, am coming, are coming. Eat, am eating, is eating, are eating. There are only 3 forms for present continuous tense, and the present continuous tense, it has 2 members. Remember, one member alone will not make a tense. If you say, I coming is not a tense at all. It's only a present participle. I am coming, you are coming. Very often students make this mistake. So that's why I am stressing again and again. I am stressing this point. There should be two members for present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is one of the most important tenses that you use almost every time, isn't it? So it is raining, listen. It is raining. They are doing work. They are studying. We are playing. You are sitting there. You are sitting idle. See that? The world is progressing. The night is falling. The moon is shining. The sun is shining. The sun is rising. How many sentences? Plenty of them. So this is the way you develop your language. Understand? Should try to make sentences, as many sentences as possible. Then what should you do next? Make it negative, and after this make it the contracted form. Means use the contracted form or the shortened form, shortcuts. As I already told you about it, I am not. That is the only difference there. Otherwise, everything is, so the O is omitting. So you say aren't, isn't. In this case, the A, the first letter is, you are omitting the first letter, therefore you should say apostrophe I am not. Not I am, I amn't. There's no amn't in English. Standard English, you don't know. But you can use it. Many people use it colloquially. I am coming, I am coming. Yes, it's okay. But standard form of English is not allowed. That's all. Alright? Bye. See you again. Hope that you will be able to write your own tests and then convert this into, first you have got simple sentences, and then you convert those sentences into present continuous forms, and then change them into negatives, and afterwards change them into contracted forms. So that means how many sentences you will be making? Hundreds and hundreds of sentences, and that will definitely enrich your language, and in no time you will become so fluent in English. This is one way of becoming fluent in English. I have already given, I have posted a video, 10 steps to fluency in English. You can go through that. It's one of the steps, of course, is this one. So try this and enjoy your success everywhere. Bye. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life.